Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to select a flat belt from the manufacturer's catalog. In order to select a belt drive from the manufacturer's catalog, we require certain information, which is the power to be transmitted through belt drive and what is the input and output speeds of the pulleys and the space availability, which is according to that we can fix the center distance between the two pulleys, and what type of load is acting on the pulleys are belt drives. Now we can see what is the basic procedure for the selection of flat belt. If you see here, the first one is we have to find the diameter of the pulleys. One is a smaller pulley, the second one is the bigger pulley. We can find the diameter of the smaller pulley from the equation of velocity, that is V is equal to pi dn by 60. Okay, if we rearrange that equation, d is equal to 60 into 1000 into velocity by pi n. Generally, Dunlop belts have optimum belt speed in between 17.8 to 22.9. For simplicity, some belts have velocity such as 18 meter per second. In our problems, we are assuming that the belt have 18 meter per second speed, and capital D is we can calculate from the same equation, or we can use the another equation, that is the ratio of the belt pulleys diameter is inversely proportional to the speed. The second step is find the maximum power for the purpose of belt selection. That means the maximum power is equal to the power into load correction factor. Here the load correction factor is getting from this table. Here the values are vary with respect to the type of load. The value is ranging from 1 to 1.5 depend upon the load. According to the type of load, we can choose this factor, and after that we can calculate angle of wrap for the smaller pulley. The equation is alpha s is equal to 180 minus 2 into sine inverse d minus small d by 2c. Based on this angle of wrap value, we can identify the arc of contact factor. Again, for this we can use another table, the arc of contact factor table. Here, based on the alpha s value, we can get FD value. Once if you get FD value, we can calculate corrected power by the following relation, which is KW corrected, that means power corrected is equal to maximum power into FD. After that, once if we calculated the corrected power, we can estimate power rating. Here we have two types of belts. One is high speed belt, the second one is force belt. If it is high speed belt, we can use the first equation, which is 0.0118 V by 5.08. or if we use fourth belt, we can use 0.0147 V by 5.08. Once we can calculate corrected power rating, we can find out the number of plies and width of the belt. How to calculate that width and number of plies? Okay, here another equation, that is width into number of plies is equal to corrected power upon corrected belt rating. Okay, here the number of plies is estimated and width is estimated from this table. Okay, that we can discuss in the solving, when we are solving the problem. Once you can get the suitable belt, we can find out the final step is the length of the belt. Now I am explained this selection of belt drive by using one problem. Let us solve the problem. The problem is, it is required to select a flat belt drive for a compressor running at 720 RPM, which is driven by a 25 kilowatt 11440 RPM motor, and space is available for the center distance of 3 meter, and the belt is open type. Now, what is the first in the procedure of flat belt? The first step is identify the diameter of smaller and bigger pulleys. What is the equation? Small d is equal to 60 into 1000 into velocity upon pi d, pi n. 60 into 1000. What is the velocity here? The optimum velocity of the belt drive. Okay, here we are assuming that the belt velocity is 18. As I explained earlier, the speed of the smaller pulley is 1440 RPM. Now if you simplify this, you will get 238.73 mm. Now what is the preferred diameter? See, if you see the procedure, always we have to select the diameter of the pulley from this preferred numbers. That means, okay, as per our calculation, we are getting 238.73. Okay, according to that, okay, which one is the nearest diameter, preferred diameter? It is nearly 250. Okay, according to these values, we have to round off our value. Okay, 238.73, that means the nearest preferred number is 250 mm. Now the next step is calculate the diameter of the bigger pulley. Either you can use the above equation, or we can use capital D is equal to small d into small n by capital N, which is 250 into 1440 by 720. Okay, this is 2 times, that means capital D is equal to 500 mm. Now, okay, this is the first step. We got the diameter of the pulleys. Due to approximation of this round of this diameter, the velocity of the belt drive is changed. Okay, now we can find out what is the corrected velocity of the belt. Velocity is equal to pi d into n by 60 into 1000. Now the diameter is here 250. Suppose if we are considering the 238.73, we are getting 18 only, but we have to choose the preferred number. Okay, according to that our velocity also change. Okay, what is the changed velocity? 250 into 1440 by 60 into 1000. Now what is the velocity? 18.85 meter per second. Now the next step is maximum power for selection. Okay, here maximum power, kilowatt maximum is equal to FA into kilowatt, that means the given power. Now what is the FA value? Okay, how to select FA value? Okay, FA value we can select from this table. Okay, as per given question, it is the flat belt drive for a compressor. If you see the for compressor, it is comes under intermittent load. For the compressors, FA value is 1.3. Now I am considering FA value is 1.3 into the kilowatt is 25. That means the maximum power is 32.5 kilowatt. This is the second step. In the third step, we can calculate arc of contact factor. That means we can calculate FD value. Okay, if you want FD value, we can first find out angle of wrap, that is alpha S is equal to 180 minus 2 into sine inverse capital D minus small d by 2c. 180 minus 2 sine inverse capital D is 500 and the small d is 250 by 2 into the center distance is 3 meter, that means 3000. The alpha S value is comes as 175.23 degree. Now how to calculate FD value, that is arc of contact factor. Now alpha S value is 175. Here we can use assuming the linear interpolation, find out the FD value at 175. At 170 it is 1.08 and at 180 it is slightly okay. At 170 it is 1.04. At 180 it is 1. Now by using the linear interpolation, we can calculate FD value at 175.23. Now FD is equal to, I am considering the linear interpolation, 1.04 minus 1, 180 minus 180 minus it is 175.23 by 180 minus 170. Okay, it comes around 1.019. The arc of contact factor value comes around 1.019. Now the fourth step is, once if we calculate the arc of contact factor, we can calculate corrected power. The corrected power is equal to FD into maximum power. FD value is 1.019 and the maximum power is 32.5 kilowatt. That means the corrected power is comes nearly 33.12 kilowatt. Okay, this is the fourth step. Once we calculated corrected power, the fifth step is we can calculate corrected belt rating. For corrected belt rating, the formula for the corrected belt rating is, in here I am considering the high speed belt. For high speed belt, the equation is 0.0118 into velocity by 5.08. Okay, here my assumption is, that means I consider the high speed belt. Okay, if you consider the fourth belt, the equation is changed. Now 0.0118 into the velocity is 18.85 by 5.08. Now the answer is 0.0438 kilowatt. The corrected belt rating is 0.0438 kilowatt. Now we can go for selection of belt. That is the final step. Selection of belt. Okay, the selection of belt is width into number of plies is equal to corrected power, which is 33.12 kilowatt by 0.0438. If you calculate this, you will get around 756.17. Now the belt, first here we have to calculate width into number of plies, that is equal to 33 point, that means corrected power upon corrected belt rating, you will get 756.1. Now I am calculating the width by considering the different number of plies. Suppose if I am considering the number of plies is suppose 3. If I am considering the number of plies are 3 or 4, okay, I am considering the 4, that means 756.17 by 4, which is comes around 189.04. Okay, here I am considering the number of plies are 4. Suppose if I am considering the number of plies are 5, 756.17 17 by 5, which is comes around 151.23. Similarly, if I am considering the 6, the width is 126.03. Now, how to select the number of plies? Okay, if I am considering the 4, 5, 6, which is the suitable for this given application. Now, if you just observe here, for 4, 189, for 5, 151, for 6, it is 126. Again, here we can identify that from this figure. For 4 plies, that means if you see here, okay, for 4 plies, the width is either 40, 44, 50, 63 and 76. For 5 ply, okay, the range is equal to 7600, 112, 125, 153. According to our calculation, for 5 plies, we are getting nearly 152. If you are considering the 4 plies, there is a no value here. That means 189. Similarly, if you are considering the 6 plies, 126. Okay, here 125. Okay, that means first we can see which is the nearest value. For 5 plies, already we are getting 156. Okay. Either you can use 6 plies. If you are using 6 plies, 125 is the corrected belt width. Okay, the least number of plies and the width is 152. That means my answer is for high speed belt, of 152 mm with preferred width and 5 plies. Okay, this is my step number 5. In this manner we can calculate the width. And the final step is, once we can calculate all these things, we can calculate length of the belt. Okay, here the belt is open belt. For open belt, the length of the belt equation is 2c plus pi into capital D plus small d by 2 plus capital D minus small d whole square by 2c. Sorry, it is 4c. Now, if you substitute all the values, C value is 3000 and capital D is 500, small d is 250. Okay, now the length of the belt is 7183.31 mm. Okay, now what is the belt? Finally, we can summarize this problem. The specification of belt, that means belt specifications are, generally when we are specifying the belt, the length is 7.2 meter and the width is 152 mm and the plies are 5 plies and high speed belting. In this manner we can select the belt from the manufacturer catalog. Hope you understand this problem and design procedure. Thank you for listening.